Now, let's take a look at how the moon appears to move in the sky throughout one whole day. To help us observe the moon throughout the day, we will need to mark directions in the sky. Not those types of directions. I mean navigational directions, like north, east, south, and west. The direction in front of us is called south. To the right is west. To the left is east. It's almost time for sunset. Let's look for the moon. Well, that is correct. The moon is not in the sky yet. What we do see, though, is the bright sun over to the west. You won't need those sunglasses for long, and you should never look right at the sun even with sunglasses on. It's bad for your eyes. Let's see where the sun sets and where the moon comes up. Can you point to the sun and follow its setting? Now point to the direction called west, where the sun is setting. Notice, as the sun sets over in the west at the end of the day, we see the stars and the full moon rising in the east. Now, can you point to the rising full moon on the other side of the sky, in the east? Okay, just keep pointing to the full moon now. As we speed up time, observe how the moon moves through the sky in one day. Keep pointing to the moon and trace its motion through the sky. As we pause here for a second, did you see how the full moon moves slowly and continuously through the sky throughout the night? It will set over in the west just like the sun did. Remember, this is all happening in one day. In fact, the sun and moon follow a similar path in the sky every day, always rising in the east and setting in the west. Let's speed up time even more and watch. As the full moon set, the sun rose in the east again. Follow the sun with your finger across the sky. The daily apparent motion of the sun and the moon is really caused by the fact that the earth is spinning, making it seem like the sun and moon rise and set each day. Let's take one more look at how the moon moves in the sky in one day. Point to the moon and follow it with your finger as it makes a curved path over your head.